How to log out of Among Us account. So let's get started. If you are looking to log out of your Among Us account and prefer a quick fix, then here's what you can do. First of all, open the Among Us app on your mobile device. Now, once in there, you can simply tap on the My Account option available there. Then tap on the account and tap on the Manage Account. Here you can see there is no built-in logout option available in the Among Us. Now, in order to log out of this account, all you have to do is long press in the Among Us, then tap on the Delete app and delete the Among Us app. Once deleted, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then simply search for the Among Us app in the search address bar and tap on the download option available there and download it to your mobile device. Once downloaded, simply open the app and don't log in or sign in using the same account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.